Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's Christmas.
Yeah.
Look at all the glitter in that.
Is that what that's for?
Yeah, and we've got beers.
Yeah, San Miguel's.
San Miguel.
Just like Spain.
Oh, it's just like being there, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Except for one thing.
It's cold.
It's freezing out there.
Rather be in Spain.
Rather
The
be
weather.
yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, hello.
Hello, everybody. It's Christmas. We'd just like to say thanks for being with us this year, since August. Thanks for subscribing. We really do appreciate it.
This year's been rubbish, but come to think of it, I think we have as well.
What do you mean?
Take a look at this.
Yeah, over there, 30 metres, there's a construction that is, every year it comes out, it gets bigger and better every year, I think. What are you about? What would I say?
Yeah, it comes out. It's about 30 metres every year it comes out.
Bloody hell, it must be Christmas. Right.
What's all this about? Right.
Get me collar round, eh? Collar round the back of my neck.
Your glasses
Serious, this. We really do appreciate it.
This year's been brilliant.
It has been crap. Yep, and now it's time for a nice glass of water. Yep. And on that note, we're doing the dribbles. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.
New bell. We have one of these.
We wish you a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
And on that note, it's time to call the video a wrap up. And okay, well that's it.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, well that's it.
Thanks for being with us.
Okay, well that's it. We'll get timing right in a minute. Ready? Okay, we're rolling. And okay, well that's it.
Thanks for joining us.
It's been great here down at the Plaza de la Constitution. So, please, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
New Year. So please. You're going to take some pictures, aren't you?
Nah, just leave it to your imagination. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
This one.
Bing!
I forgot again. I just can't.
And we're recording.
Recorded.
Wait, let me just get that. Oh, let's turn it right way around. There, look. Who's that? Is that you?
And you.
Where have we just been?
Happy Tavern.
We've been to, what do they call it?
Happy Tavern.
Is it a church or something like that?
It looks like a church. It was an old church.
Or an old church?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be... So, wait, what are you doing? Oh, she's got a tricks out. She's got a tricks out now. Lads, come on. Hey, buy me coffee. We wait till next week. Next episode. Next episode.
Behave.
Oh, have we had too much to drink or what?
We've already had a pint. I think we need some lunch.
Perhaps
I think we
do.
need to get something to
Right,
eat.
come on, let's be serious now. It's important.
Okay,
This.
so we've just been to the Abbey National.
They'll be national, eh? Take some money out. Oh, be careful now.
Behave.
Right, listen.
Calm down.
That's a nice shot
Okay.
now. Okay. Looking good.
So we're in La Florida.
Yo.
Well, we hope we've brought a bit of happiness to this awful year and hope that 2021 will be a better year for everyone.
And although we're back in the UK, we've still got plenty of videos we can put out for you. They're in the can, and they'll probably take you up to March, probably into the middle of March. So, and I've got a few more ideas to keep it going after that as well. But we do hope to get back with you soon. That's the ideal thing, when I get back and get into that sunshine. So we're wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
And on that note, we're going to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Adios.
Adios.